Now I know a lot of you have stopped eating bread. I have a hack for you today. You can bring your bread out of the freezer again. Now I keep mine in the freezer anyway because I'm traveling all the time. But what happens to white bread if you freeze it and you thaw it? You reduce the glycemic index by over 30%. You can now eat your bread once again. Have you heard about that hack?